ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸೇ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರೀ ಅದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that say children loudly this that this that say loudly Shreyasa this that idu this that this is a chair say loudly this is a chair this is a chair that is chart that is chart what is this children no chart this is a chart what is that that is a television what is this children no file what is this this is a file say loudly children this is a file this is my file what is that what is that that is a ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮೀಪ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಅದು ದಿಸ್ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಶಬ್ದ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇರ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ರಿ ಇದು that this that this that this say loudly many times this that Anshika this that this that this is a what is this children no pencil say full sentence
Pencil spelling word.
this is a pencil what is this this is a bangle this is a bangle what is that what is that that is a clock that is a clock say children what is this this is a time this is a time what is that what is that what is that this is a dog what is that very good this not is this that what is that what is that that is a flower what is what is this that is flower what is that say full sentence what is that no that is a doll what is it what is that that is a what is this no chavi what is that this is a key this is a key this is a key what is that that is a car what is that no that is a bus that is a bus what is this is a book what is that that is a book ಇದು ಏನು ಇದು ಬುಕ್ಕು ಇದು ಅದು ಏನು ಅದು ಬುಕ್ಕು